Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring Audacity is updated and any optional plugins like LADSPA or Nyquist are available. This gives you more effect choices. Next, import your file or record directly and set the project rate to 44/100 Hz for consistent pitch processing. Once done, duplicate the original track so you can compare changes, label tracks to avoid confusion. Make sure monitoring and input/output devices are correct, since mismatches will distort results when you apply pitch or format effects. Now focus on pitch and timbre. Select a clip and open change pitch to shift notes without altering tempo. Small steps sound natural, large shifts can create chipmunk or deep voice effects. For realistic vocal character, adjust formants using a vocal transformer or apply equalization to emphasize or reduce harmonics. If you need dramatic textures, use sliding stretch or pulse stretch, but be careful. Extreme settings create artifacts. Make incremental adjustments, preview often, and compare with the duplicated original to track subtle changes. Finish by cleaning and balancing. Run noise reduction to remove hiss, apply light compression to even dynamics, and add subtle reverb for natural space. These steps make the altered voice believable. Once satisfied, export via File Export Audio and choose Format and Bitrate, WAV for lossless or MP3 for distribution. If you hear artifacts or metallic tones, undo the last effect, reduce the pitch/format shift, or increase the sample rate and reprocess. Often lowering effect intensity fixes most problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.